Good morning. It is September the 8th, 2017, and I guess 2 mornings before Hurricane Irma is supposed to move right up central Florida and wipe out both coasts of Florida is the talk right now. So it won't be as bad as Prague, or it'll be a lot worse than Prague. It's the way it works when the news media and the consensus opinion, everybody is out there trying to guess the future. We'll start with our disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record. Simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, we awakened this morning to dollar down 7 days. The concern is debt ceiling. Trump is going to work with the Democrats to remove the debt authorization from Congress. Just no debt ceiling at all. They can write and spend money right and left. That would be a concern. That would take the dollar down. War with Korea. And perhaps the Fed can't tighten. The Hurricane Harvey and Irma, looks like Josie, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, is going to turn up into the Atlantic. The treasuries have been really strong, and probably the Fed won't be able to act this year. I mean, I don't know, but there's something going on in the Treasury market that is different. But right now, gold's higher and Treasuries are higher, according to the news services, because of those three items right there. We have wholesale trade today, plus 0.4. No one will pay any attention to it. Baker Hughes rig count probably lower on both sides due to Hurricane Harvey. Oil prices are actually pretty good, being pretty close to 50, so don't know, but again, don't think anybody's going to pay any attention to it. So we've got resistance at 28. First sell is 27 to 31. 3 to 7 is sell 2. On the buy side, 17 to 21. I think the market is going to try to trade higher first. Can't get through 28, then it can trade lower. I think on the the storm is projected to go up into Georgia and Tennessee, Kentucky, and Ohio. So the East Coast is not jeopardized past the state of Florida. And we'll have to see how it shakes out. Hopefully it does not come on shore as a Category 5 hurricane. I think the last Category 5 to hit the United States was Hurricane Andrew in 1992, and that was a big one. Very small though. So as far as the swath of damage that was done from that. It's the water surge and the flooding that comes with hurricanes that does most of the damage. Okay, resistance starts at 58, so 58.04 is number 1. 7 to 11, sell 1. 15 to 19, sell 2. On the buy side, 16 to 20, number 1. 9 to 13, buy 1. And 1 to 5, buy 2. Gold is moving up and maintaining its gains. Weak dollar, potential for war in the Korean Peninsula. Weak dollar, flight to safety. So we got stops above 60. 60, 62, sell 1, it is resistance. 64, 66, sell 2. Buy side, the breakout came from 56, so 54, 56, buy 1. 50, 52, buy 2. The euro, Zero Hedge had a couple of articles on the euro and what Draghi was trying to accomplish. And there's 4 possible scenarios out there. I mean, it's anything and everything to everybody. So 121 is resistance. We're at 68 right now, so 2090, 121, sell 1. 2125, sell 2. On the buy side, 2050 buy 1. 2025 buy 2. Yeah, crude oil. Crude oil is probably pretty quiet. The statistics that we normally trade off of, probably another couple of weeks before they settle down. We're in the same situation. We got a seller at 49 and a quarter, 49.50. So we'll make 49, 49 and a quarter, sell 1. 49.50, 49.75, sell 2. On the buy side, 48.50, 48 and a quarter, buy 1. 48 even, 47.75, buy 2. E-mini. Stocks outside of China's markets are lower. Trading decent today. Pretty good support at 24.50, 55. Pretty good resistance 65 to 70 this morning, and kind of right here testing the bottom. So got 2 B's right here. Resistance held 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We've gotten through support, so maybe a little bit lower. So we'll play for lower right here. Don't think the market will break 50, 52 buy 1. 45, 47 buy 2. And we'll make 60, 62 sell 1. And 65, 67 sell 2. Wholesale trade up 4/10. Baker Hughes rig count probably lower, but neither of those 2 pieces of news should impact the market. Now, because I want to buy 24.50s to play for stops below 24.50, doesn't mean we'll get there. We got to get through 55 first, and we haven't done that, so we'll be watching that and see what happens. Okay, it's going to take a bit to get everything up and posted. Going to get busy with that. Back with you as soon as possible.